Well, number one thing is that having sex with another person creates a connection and bond between the two parties. Well, all guys and girls have a different approach. Maybe the girl just wants to be in a FWB relationship with you, and you on the other hand don't wanna be FWB and want more than just being used for sex whenever she feels like it. Well, if you are that kind of person, I highly suggest that you slowly move away from her, because the end results is not what you wanna go through. Trust me, I have been there, and mate, I tell you that getting hit with a bat is not as torturing as heartbreak. You worry a lot, get frustrated, get angry, be stuck up with your fellow mates, and slowly people that you care about starts to distance themselves from you. So I'm a cut to the chase. FWB can go for a while, but then someone slowly starts to be all possessive over you, could be you or her. So I highly that you try and find a permanent GF. These FWB can really make you regret the decision. Let me leave you with a question to think about. She wants to be F*** buddies with you. How many other guys have already slept with her? You never know what disease she may carry, and that, my friend, will be the end. So my point is to avoid this situation, or keep it once in a while kinda thing.